Hello everyone, it's Tilly from Tilly Journals and welcome back to my channel. I am here to memory plan with another of my bonus videos in my functional flexi planner, and this time in the vertical 7x9, and I have this crafty banana scene kit. So here's what we've got in the kit. There's the freebie. I'm just throwing things everywhere. This is the kit and the format. I can't flick through the pages very well. Not used to glossy, and I've got the glitter add-on as well. I've got my stickers pulled out in this reusable sticker album from Plannerface, Tilly tend to save at Plannerface. And these videos are always a challenge, and today's challenge is to not move a sticker, so I have to put it down and it has to stay where it gets put, which is particularly terrifying with a scene kit. I also have this washi sheet from Simply Gilded that I may or may not pull in, but without any further ado, these videos are sped up and voiceovered, so I will hand over to the voiceover. Okay gang, so whilst I am planning this week, I am going to do a little New Year tag. In the other videos, I have been also telling you about the plans I've put down, but to be honest, most of these weeks you'll either see me pre-plan or memory plan anyway, or you will see me pre-plan or memory plan anyway, so I don't feel like I need to talk about my the plans I'm putting down. I'm just going to carry on playing a game or a tag. Let me know if you would rather I did also talk about the plans down below, and I will start to do that again. To be honest, I'm about to film 3 voiceovers for these in a row, so the next 3 videos aren't going to have that. But after that I can go back to talking through the plans as well if you want. Today in the voiceover I'm just going to do a New Year tag. It's from YouTubeSociety.com, and it was actually a 2019 New Year tag. So there's going to be some I might accidentally say the wrong year, but I'm going to be 2018 New Year tag even. Like New Year 2019. So I might get the year wrong, but I will correct it. So 3 words to describe last year is the first question. There are 30 questions. I think for me, change, unprecedented, and busy are probably my 3 words to describe the last year. What was the most memorable moment for you in 2020? Getting engaged. I don't think we need to say more than that. What was your most played song of 2020? I have no idea. I tend to have noise in the background, but it tends not to be music, it tends to be people talking. My most played song was probably something from a musical, possibly something from Hamilton or Wicked, or a Disney song. Actually, I listen to Moana quite a lot, so it might be a Moana song as well. Don't know. Did I take any trips in 2020? Tell us about the most memorable ones and why. The only trip I think I took was in February before... Actually, I took 2. Oh, okay. I forgot about one, which probably means it shouldn't be my most memorable, but it also definitely is. My brother got married in March, so that was a massive trip. We only went down to Norfolk for it, and we were right on the coast, but that was probably my most memorable trip because I got to watch my brother get engaged to his wife, to get married to his wife, and that was incredible. It was a really, really small ceremony. It was absolutely beautiful. And the memory plan with me of that week is up on the channel. My channel is actually, my boyfriend voices over it, my fiance now voices over it, and it's an epic voiceover. We were recently talking in the Discord about it, how epic that video is, and it is. So I'll try and remember to link it, and yeah, go check it out. Something I'm looking forward to in the coming year. I'm looking forward to being able to see people a little bit more. I really miss a lot of people, and I would like to be able to see them. What was my favourite meme of 2020? I know it's because it's current, but all of the tier 7 will be, tier 20 will be memes. They were fantastic, and a really nice, a funny way to try and get through the difficulty that the tier system was, and I'm sure it will be back, but that was it. What's the hardest thing you went through in 2020? Probably not being able to see family and friends. Yeah. What or who am I most thankful for in the last year? This is really hard between a few things. There's a few things that kept me sane. The first one is the planner community, particularly the Discord girls. They are a fantastic group who have just kept me going and kept me smiling. And another one is Beth, who in the same way, she's the person, there are 3 people I talk to every single day, and they are Soch, my mum, and Beth. And I'm so thankful for her. And the other 2 people are Soch and my mum. all for very similar reasons. They've just kept me going in what was a difficult year in a lot of ways. Question 9 is, what's the funniest thing that happened last year? I don't know. I'm really bad at like remembering funny things. Obviously, I don't know. If you can think of me telling a hilarious story in one of my voiceovers, let me know, and that might be my funniest moment, but I can't think of anything that's hilarious that happened last year. What was my favourite series this year? So a week ago, I'd have probably said Mandalorian Season 1, but we just watched Season 2, and I don't think it's as good. I'm just putting it out there. I don't think Mandalorian Season 2 is as good as Mandalorian Season 1. We watched Unbelievable, which is absolutely fantastic, but incredibly triggering. We also started rewatching Once Upon a Time, which is a really great series. Yeah, there are a few that are contenders. What events or news stories that shocked you this year? I don't know. I think it didn't shock me, but the graphicness of it shocked me. Was George Floyd's death. And I have to say, I was actually shocked by the response to it. I didn't realise how many other people already wanted and understood the need for social justice, and, you know, defunding the police. I think the response to that is what shocked me the most, which I'm not sure whether it's a positive or a negative thing, really. Maybe I had less faith in people than I thought. That's not great. What am I hoping for less of in the coming year? Racists. What am I hoping for more of in this coming year? Family time, friends time, seeing people. What personal goals did you achieve in 2020? I have a whole video where I talk about my 2020 goals. So yeah, go check that out. That's probably the best way for me to answer this goal. But like, buying a house is a pretty big one. Getting my dream training contract. Like, yeah. What is your favourite YouTube content creator in the last year? This is really hard. There's quite a few people I really, really love. So I watch a lot of YouTube. I have to say that Cindy Gunter Baldo is always going to be on that list. Lauren from Lauren Plans is always going to be on that list. Who else do I like religiously watch? Laken and Julie, Tattoo Teacher Planned. And then if we're talking smaller or newer YouTubers, I love basically the Discord crew. So Kat, Beth, Anna, Amy's not made many videos, but her videos, basically there's loads. What did you do for New Year's? Well, we sat at home and watched a film. I'm not going to say more about New Year's. What was your most memorable New Year's moment? This isn't mine to share, so I'm just going to skip that question. Where is your dream... Oh, does that mean historic? Oh, if it means historic, we've, like, once in my life been down to London for the fireworks, and being there was pretty memorable. So I'm going to answer that there. Where is your dream city place to celebrate New Year's? So although that New Year is probably my most memorable, the place I want to spend all of my New Year's is with my family at home playing board games. That's what I want to do with my New Year's. Do I celebrate New Year's with a kiss? Yep. No, like for the last however many years it's been my fiance. Well, boyfriend. Now he's my fiance. In 2020, what are your goals? Again, I have a whole video on this. I'll try and link it up in the cards. Where do I want to travel in 2021? Sorry, that 2020, last 2020 should have been 2021. Where do I want to travel in 2021? I just want to travel. Me and my fiance got some money to go to Disney Paris for our birthdays in 2020. So we're hoping to be able to do that, but I want to be able to go somewhere, wherever it is. But I'll take anything. What film am I most excited for in 2021? Let's be real, I don't follow films. I don't really pay any attention. Probably some Disney film that I don't know is going to be created. What do you think YouTube will be like this year? The same. I don't know. I don't really expect things to change that much. Is that just me? Is that me being weird? I don't know. What do I think 2021 is the year of? I'm hoping it's the year of us beating COVID, but I don't know whether I actually think it's going to be that year. What are your New Year's resolutions? Question 25. I don't really do New Year's resolutions. I do goals. Resolutions, in my opinion, just it's a way of phrasing goals that just makes you more likely to fail, because you go out and work on if you break it, you've broken your New Year's resolution. Whereas with goals, it's more important to keep trying every single day. How are you going to motivate yourself to stick to your goals this year? Using the power sheets. I love my power sheets. They are fantastic. I love them. Yeah. What are your dream scenarios for 2021? My first dream scenario is quite current and I can't really talk about. My second is that, we hit social justice and, the world becomes a much more equal place, but that's unrealistic. But if we could just make some steps towards that, that would be great. And the other one is that we beat COVID. This vaccine is rolled out quickly. We get everyone vaccinated and we can start, moving again. In 2021, what new things do you want to try? Making my health a priority. Short and sweet. That means my physical and emotional and mental health. Yeah, I need to take better time for myself and take better care of myself. In question 29, what are you going to stop doing in 2021? Hopefully I'm going to stop pulling out my hair and taking on way too much. And 3 words to describe your upcoming 2021. Exciting. Productive, but not. Productive isn't the right word. I've got a word in my head, but I don't know what it is. And fun, I hope. So yeah, that is all of the questions for this video. So I'm going to pass back over now to Tilly with the finished spread. So there we have the finished spread. Sorry about the glare with the VidWiggle. It's a reason I don't use glossy stickers very much. I don't like the feel of them and the glare. So yeah, I'm actually really, really pleased with how that went. There was a couple of times I tried to put the icon on the same side in a row and I just had to work with it. It's not my favourite, but I'd done it. I did accidentally move this sticker, I don't know whether you noticed, but then I put it back where I had moved it from to try and make it as fair as possible. This icon I put at the wrong side. It was meant to be layered with that, but it wasn't, but oh well. It worked out okay in the end. I'm quite pleased with how it came out, and there's absolutely tons left in the kit. I actually bought the full boxes for this for myself, so I'm going to use the leftovers with those full boxes. So we've got most of the freebie other than that one sticker I used from that. We've got some 4 half boxes, 1 quarter box, and all the deco. Got another 2 half boxes and 1 quarter box on there, 2 half boxes, 3 quarter boxes and 2 fancy labels, loads of glitter headers, 2 half boxes, there's tons of stuff left. I don't know why I'm talking you through what's left. You can see, but there's absolutely tons left, so I'm really pleased with that. I absolutely love this. It's absolutely gorgeous. I may need to pick up a scene kit to actually use, although I felt quite cramped at times in this. I'm actually considering in my memory planner moving to not having text in 2021, so I don't actually know yet. I haven't done a memory spread yet, but we'll see. Let me know down below what you think. I hope you enjoyed the game in the voiceover, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!